Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala honors us when He allows us, permits us to recite Ṣalawāt on Rasūlullāh sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala honors us when we can recite Ṣalawāt on Rasūlullāh sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Because this is what Allah does. He guides us in doing this. This is what all His angels do. Guides us in doing this. So I want you to feel this honor. Feel this honor that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is bestowing upon us. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the Prophet mentions hadith that He has special angels that wherever we are reciting Ṣalawāt, the angels are taking it from us and conveying to the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And the Prophet knows who's doing it, because when it's conveyed, our names are mentioned to the Prophet. He responds. Yes, subhanallah. They are among the awliya. They are among the awliya. They said that when they recite the Ṣalawāt, they can see the angels taking it from their lips and taking it to the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Ṣalawāt, Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina. I want you to feel this honor when you recite Ṣalawāt on the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. See this nur, this light is getting bright in your heart. The nur of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, that's causing you to develop and strengthen and grow your mahabba for Rasūlullāh sallallahu alaihi wasallam, your love for the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. This is the Ṣalawāt that you do. Commit yourself.